Okay guys, I noticed there was a question by Jack. Didn't quite understand 5 candle count back. So it's not really for the answers hub, it's just I saw it and I thought I'd stick me 2 penny in. So let's flick this over and I'll kind of try and explain it. There's a number of reasons you do a 5 candle count back, but ultimately all it's trying to do is find an optimum position on the chart. So let's just take this to 0 so we can kind of have a look, and I'll make it a bit bigger so you can see it. You're looking at either ranges or fractal points. Now a fractal, if I was to describe it, is 3 fingers. You've got a low, a high and a low, and what it's symbolizing is a high point, sort of like here. There we go. So it pushes up, creates a shoulder, pushes higher and creates a shoulder. So that's kind of like a fractal point, if you like. Now the other way of looking at it is you're looking at ranges. Now sometimes you have a point where there is no candle count back, like here. So we'll start here, work the range, and I'll come to the fractal. So in this situation, we'll just assume that that's the candle you're looking at. If you counted 5 candles back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, they're all screaming in the same direction. So in this instance, you would put your order underneath the running candle. All right. So that one closes. You would put your order there. It's up here and it's pretty much going to slam straight into it. But it's shown the gusto of the market. It's shown it's pushing down. So that's one way of doing it. Now, another way is, say it's this candle here and you're deciding, well, I want to go long or I want to go short. But if it was short in this scenario, and that's the closed candle, and you count 5 back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're looking for it to break the range of said 5 candles. So your optimum point is where they cluster up. So it's either along the tails, which in this case would be advisable because they're small bodies, and they're all running along the same area, set of tails, that comes in, picks the order up, doesn't look back, takes you straight into target. Then you have a fractal, which is here. And we assume that this is the closing candle, and you're counting back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, the high point, if you're looking to break, is up there, but there's also a cluster point there. So if you're way down here, you really want to see it break this point. Breaks that point, you're going to be fine. Now, that's for a fractal going that way, and you can also get them going the opposite way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the low point, and again, there is the point when it's going the opposite direction. Now, you can also have kind of an extended range where they're all over the place, where the candles are a little bit chunky, like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want them to go long, it's going to have to break the very top. And if you want to go short, you're looking for it to break underneath there. Basically what you're doing is you're encompassing a 15-minute candle with a candle either side of it, so you can see what a rolling 15 minutes is doing, and then you can make a logical choice from those 5 candles rather than just darting in. Helps you define the trade, and it means that it puts logical pending orders rather than just going click. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.